So I was having an issue on my Ender 3 Max with like really bad under extrusion. As you can see, this is supposed to be an alpaca and it's just like not even close. I went online, found all kinds of different issues it could be. People are like flashing new firmware, changing out their Bowden tube, doing different mods and stuff like this. And I already had recently put a new firmware on when I did the touch sensor for the auto bed leveling. I already have the Capricorn Bowden tube and things like this, so I was pretty sure it wasn't going to be those things, and I didn't want to go through the hassle of like taking the machine apart or flashing a new firmware again. So I thought it had to be something else, and maybe this will help you. Basically all it was my little gear wheel here on the extruder that grips the filament was worn down. I guess it just wears out over time, and the teeth weren't grabbing. So I guess what you can do is you can either move the piece up and down on this attachment point to where the teeth are not as worn down, or you can just put a new one on, which is what I did because I had an extra one somehow. So I put this other one on and now it's printing fine. Let's see, throwing down a nice skirt here. Anyways, that's it. Hope that helps somebody.